Dell here with an unusual milk. One of our commenters, most likely Tori S., sort of suggested that we try banana milk, so that's what we're going to do. And so here we are. The stuff had to come all the way from Korea. That's pretty far away. And it's got the little things where you stick the straw in, and I can get this little thing open. There. That opened a lot easier than the way things were looking. So I don't know if we have to shake this. Doesn't seem shakeable. I don't hear anything moving in there. But let's see how it is. Okay. You can sort of taste it. And previously we did chocolate and we did strawberry milk. And both those I put in my cereal. Not together, but and it made the cereal taste pretty good. So with the banana milk, I never had it before, so I wasn't so sure that I would have that same result. But it kind of tastes okay. I think it would taste okay in cereal. And we just popped this in the freezer a little while ago, so it's probably not as cold as it could be, but it's still pretty cold. And so this is kind of different. Korea's favorite, says so right there. And let's see here, 160 calories. Looks like the saturated fat is a little bit up there, but and then so yeah, I definitely the way I would do this would be to put it in my cereal, and if you're a banana person, then I used to like putting bananas and slice them up and put that in cereal. Been doing that since I was a child, but banana milk is a little bit different kind of concept, but yeah, I think it would work. So I'm open to it, and so thanks Tori S. for the suggestion. It took a while to get there, but we ended up we're testing out what you suggested. So how's that? We'll see you next time. Thank you for your kind attention and comments. And so long again for now.